Here, look out. I gotta get this. I got to turn it on. I think so. Should I bring the splasher in, Ray?
No, we're all right, you're all right. You got a bar? Right in your lift, there's a bend in it.
That's the splasher. You're on the splasher.
What are we doing?
Step back.
You're pulling in the splasher.
Ray, I'm in neutral, just so you know. Do we still have something on?
No.
We have something on the line?
No.
What happened?
There goes your turd, Joe.
I'll go back to the bar.
Back here.
Yeah.
And straighten it out.
To the starboard. Yep. You see how your lines are here? Look here.
I don't think it was anything. Maybe driving through the track. I don't know. It might have been. Hey, I would loop back around. Dan?
Yeah.
Why don't you loop back around?
Alright, I'm gonna turn
Slow, nice slow turn.
towards port. I'm gonna go towards port.
That's good.
No, actually, I think something goes down. Because we'll just be taking
Mike.
a little drag it went
Mike,
something.
Mike, that line can go back up.
My turn.
Yeah.
Are you going slow again or going fast?
No, I'm all the way as slow as I can go.
Yeah, I think it is got off because God really wasn't We're all talking about one area. It's like, fish on!
Fucking Ray is a nimble son of a bitch coming down that ladder.
Holy
shit!
You see Ray come down the ladder? Fuck, where's your cup?
I handed it to you.
I only have two down there. How about those for you? I got no more.
Ray, you're right about the splasher level. Once we straighten out, they're going to connect. Don't you want that ahead of the splasher?
I want it just behind.
You got to go about 5 yards. Little more, little more, little more. You're good. Yeah, a little more. You're about 3 yards behind now.
Yeah, that was a bit. That was a bit. You fucked up. Yeah, that's your fault. Joe wouldn't let me take a fucking rock.
Joe, -1.
I'm trying to see this one position.